I'm coming along with a gift idea for those who do not know what to get somebody. Get them cash. This is all going to one person, $350, but I'm splitting it up. I'm putting 50 in a card, so they'll open the card first, thinking, "Oops, this is all I'm getting." Okay. Then I guess I'll put another 150 on this little gag gift. It's O'Keefe's Hand and Feet from Big Lots. And who else takes? I take the price tag off of gifts because I was always told to do that. But it's a little $10. They were on sale. Buy two get one free. So, and this is a healthy feet and lip repair set. So then I just throw the money on here. Another $150. Tape it to the box. And give it a wrap. And then a box of their favorite candy. Another 150. There's many creative ways to give people cash. This is for my mom. I don't do this for too many people. Um, but there's plenty of creative ways to give. One year I did a money tree, so I bought one of those little dollar store Christmas trees and folded the money tight into little stars, and then wrapped each branch with some money. That's another way to give somebody something. Then you can also take that another step. Put it back in the box and wrap it up as a present in the box. And they'll be like, I try to be funny with it. Wait on them to cuss you out because they so ungrateful, and then turn around and it's a whole bunch of money. So that's where you find out how people really are. But I just last year I think I did another 350 or so, and I wrapped it in a styrofoam brick and wrapped the styrofoam like a gift, wrapped the money around it, and wrapped it in the paper. So you got all of these. Now, the way I'm going to set it up, I'm going to try to set it up to where they open the top and then flip it over. So this is the way it's going down. And then I'll probably give it like extra layers. And I don't think they'll tear the money. I try to be careful not to put it in a position to where the money will get torn. So and I am not a champion rapper, but I am okay. I'm efficient. Okay, not a paper waster. Yeah, so people normally open it from the back. Do it like this since it's double layered. And since this is some kind of thin paper, or it might just be old, because I never, ever, ever buy paper during the season. This is always something I get on clearance in store. I probably haven't bought this stuff for like the last 2-3 years. And I say, okay, I'm running low. I was able to find about 4 or 5 rolls, which is plenty. down below what's the best gift you ever got for Christmas. In these days and time, nothing beats cash. Go buy what you want to. If people may think it's unthoughtful, but cash, scratch-offs. I'd rather get the cash these days because those scratch-offs have been losers. But maybe one day I'll get lucky. One out the way. Efficient. So getting a gift like this is like winning the lottery, really. And again, I'm kind of triple wrapping it. I don't think they'll tear the money, but just in case. And I want to kind of give it some layers so you don't feel or see that it's money. But sometimes, the only reason I don't do this, I thought about, like last year I did my son, I put all of his games in a Pop-Tarts box. I opened it very carefully and glued it back together to look like an unopened box of Pop-Tarts, but it was full of DS games. That boy cried. He was like, where's the rest of my stuff? It was funny. And I said, why don't you have a Pop-Tart for breakfast? He opened them to find the gifts. That was hilarious. And especially when you have some ungrateful kids, sometimes it's good to get them one good time during the holidays. They always think, oh, I'm supposed to get it. I know I'm going to get it, especially if you've never missed. But sometimes it's good to see the looks on their face and teach them a lesson. So, and I'll add bows to this, add tags to this, so it doesn't go to the wrong person. But I kind of give everybody, everybody their own wrapper, own kind of paper, so I can kind of keep up with everything. Or if it's going outside the house, it's one color. If it's staying in, it's another color. And it's one for the kids, the little kids. So there's the turtles wrapped up with money on them. That way this year she still gets something, a gift, and cash. But she gonna open the card first thinking, ooh, it's money in the card. And stack those up. I'll fill out the card. It's just an old Dollar Tree card, best place to buy cards. But I'll fill out the card, get that ready, and then it'll be a Merry Christmas. That's one thing to give people, you know they're going to use. It's not going to sit around in the box and get re-gifted at all, ever. So, great idea from me to you. Merry Christmas. If you like my content, like, comment, and subscribe. And enjoy your holidays.